Hi, hi, hi! Hi everyone! Hi guys! How are you all? May time na naman si All Around Mom na mag-vlog for today. It's Thursday and it's the end of the month. It's February 29. Wala man lang kaayos-ayos. Yeah, like that. Kasi, I have time, no? Sabaoy! Nahutda no istorya. Bisaya, Tagalog, English tayo for today, no? For everyday vlog. Well, may time na magluluto na naman si All Around Mom kasi hindi siya busy masyado. So, let's gonna cook now. And titingnan natin kung anong laman ng ref. Yun lang ang lulutuin ko kasi hindi nakapag-grocery. In short, wala pang budget. So, tanaw na to guys, everyone. Unsay maluto nato sulod sa ref kasi wala pa ta na grocery kaya wala pa budget. So we're gonna look what's inside the fridge and that's the only one we're gonna cook kasi not yet budget. We did not yet go grocery. Let's go, let's go! Hi, hi, hi! I'm back. So, ito lang muna yung spices ko. Walang bell pepper. Di siya kumpleto guys, everyone. Kasi kung ano, unsa tong nasa ref, mao lang to siyang lutuon. What's inside the ref, that's we're gonna cook only. Kaya wala pa nakapag-grocery. So, we have also here, favorite ng kids. But I don't know if they're gonna eat here for lunch, but still we're gonna cook kasi we reheat na lang sa night. This one for the veggies. Ating ilalagay. Ito lang yung available na veggies ko. Paborito ito ng aking baby girl. So, okay. Siya. So, anyway, we have here, meron tayong fried chicken. Nakot na ako siya sa crispy fry. And we have here subak, the pork chop. Na-slice ko na siya for our veggies na adobong, batong, at saka talong. Yan. With the spices. So, I already put guys the lamas and the sagot. And ready na our magic syrup and bell pepper and salt. And I usually put a little bit vetsin, a little bit lang talaga siya, no, para mas masarap ang food. And we add a little bit water. Ito lang. Sorry sa messy kitchen. And nagluto na ako ng crispy fried chicken. Hi! Oh, hapit na siya maluto. Almost done na. Ready na ito. Like 3 minutes na lang. Huwag masyadong lata para mas more yummy. Diyan pa mga vitamins sa veggies. So, luto na ako ang adobong sitaw with talong and some petchay. Yun lang kasi natira sa aking fridge. And already cooked our fried chicken. Let's eat everyone.